Hi, I'm Ed Baldwin with your weekly wrap-up for Friday, January the 6th. Well, the grain markets finished the year out on a high note, only to give back most of the Christmas gains in the first few days of the new year. Uncertainty over China's COVID outbreak and the world economy still struggling to gain their balance, fears of the higher interest rates and a possible recession all led to profit-taking and long liquidation pushed these prices lower. The only winner this week was canola, and it was up on continued good crusher demand. Our March canola contract was up this week. It was up $3.10 a ton, closing at $868.90. The canola, well, it continued to find support from those strong crush margins in that $200 a ton range. Losses in the soybeans and a higher Canadian dollar limited the gain. The March soybean contract, well, it was down this week. It lost 31 cents over the week. It closed out at $14.93. The March corn contract was down as well. It lost 25 cents on the week, closing at $6.54. And the March oat contract was down 23 cents for the week, closing at $3.44. Our Minneapolis March spring wheat contract, well, it lost 37 cents over the week, and it closed at $9.02. The wheat was down again on profit taking after the year-end Christmas rally. The rain in Argentina and some good export shipment numbers out of Russia for the month of December had the longs taking profits. Our Canadian dollar, well, it was up this week. It gained a half a cent. It was up 53 basis points and closed at 74.45. Crude oil, however, it went the opposite direction. It was down. It was down $6.51 a barrel, and it closed at 73.75. For next week, well, we do have a USDA final production estimate for corn and soybeans for the 22-23 crop year. The trade will be looking to see what those numbers look like. And as well, next week, we have USDA will release their December quarterly stocks report, which should give us an indication just how the domestic use and exports are going. For canola then, we'll look for the continued creep higher, especially into that maybe the January 12th production report. And we'll look for spring wheat to also trade just kind of mediocre, trade either side of that $9 mark with limited upside for now. I'm Ed Baldwin with your weekly wrap-up for Friday, January the 6th.